What's up, everyone? Two mostly bald guys here. We're going to do a quick video. It's how to replace an interior door handle on a 96 F-150. This should be the same, I believe, back to 1980. Don't hold me to that. But at least your 92 to 96, it'll be this way. Let's go ahead and get tools, and then we'll get started. First thing, need a new door handle. I went to AutoZone, and that was the part number for the driver's side. I don't know what the passenger side one is, but I'll look up for driver and passenger side, get some links in the description below. Mine was originally chrome, but all he had was black, and well, I prefer the black one, so I'll probably replace the passenger side eventually. So, got the door handle. Next, get stuff out of the way here. Need a 8mm. Need an extension. I'm going to use a longer one, because I'm going to use my impact. So I got that set up, and wrong door. I'm going to use some long needle nose pliers. You don't have to use any certain size. You can just use a regular set. For your broken piece, your new door handle, you won't need them. But the broken piece is inside the door. I'll show you that in a second. So I'm holding that so I don't lose the bolt, so that after I pull it out, that way I don't have to take the door panel off. Alright, so door handle's busted off, it's gone. Just right inside here, feel around, you'll feel the socket inside, or the bolt in there. There we go. And I'll get my needle nose ready. Okay. Go. Okay, didn't need a needle nose, just my finger worked fine. Well, crap. So I probably should have used the needle nose pliers that I was talking about, but I figured I could do it with my fingers. So I dropped the bolt. I had to get a magnet to get it out. So probably had to use the pliers to get it, that way you don't pull your door panel off. I got that. Let's get the new door handle. Stick the bolt in there like so. Door handle sits in there like that. There we go. So after you got it in there, you'll have to feel around, because there's a little notch in the door handle, and it'll sit kind of flat, and you just
bingo.
Bingo. Good as new.
Yeah,
don't even have to take the door panel off. But if you drop that screw, have a magnet ready. Or you can just pull your door panel off. Like I said, quick video. Hopefully that helps you out. Same for the passenger side.
Alright, now that the door handle's back on, if you have any comments, leave them down below. Blake or myself will get back to them. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to see more of us, click the little bell.
We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks. Bye.